Native American spiritual beliefs are rooted in animism. Animism posits that all aspects of nature possess spirits. This includes animals, rivers, mountains, and even the wind. This worldview fosters a deep respect and interconnectedness with the natural world. Ceremonies, songs, and dances were essential for maintaining balance between humans and spirits. These rituals were a vital part of community life. They reinforced spiritual connections within the community. Rituals also served as a means to seek guidance and blessings from the spirit world. Indigenous peoples traditionally view the earth as a sacred entity, not property. This perspective fosters deep respect for the land and its resources. Their relationship with the earth emphasizes stewardship and sustainability. This contrasts with the concept of land as a commodity for exploitation. The indigenous worldview promotes a balanced and harmonious interaction with nature.